Want to unlock endless anime adventures right from your Android phone using the Google Play balance you've already got? First, make sure you've downloaded and opened the Crunchyroll app on your Android device. If you don't have it yet, head over to the Google Play Store and get it installed. Tap on the profile icon, typically found at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your account settings and subscription options. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you're new to Crunchyroll, you can either start a free trial if it's available, or jump straight to subscribing. Now, you'll see the available premium subscription plans. Take a look at the benefits of each tier and choose the one that best fits your anime watching needs. Tap on the plan you want. A Google Play purchase window will pop up. It clearly shows the subscription price and, importantly, confirms that your Google Play balance will be used for the payment. Double-check the details, and if everything looks good, tap the subscribe button. A confirmation message will appear, letting you know your subscription was successful. You are now a premium Crunchyroll member. Now you can enjoy it free anime, access to exclusive content, and all the other perks of a Crunchyroll premium subscription, all paid for with your Google Play balance. That's it, quick and easy. Now you can binge watch your favorite anime today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.